I believe the next 36 months are going to completely redefine how small businesses operate. Not in theory. Right here in restaurants, HVAC shops, med spas, real estate offices, law firms, barbershops, and I'm going to show you tools how to automate yourself out of the repetitive parts of your job before AI does it without you. This isn't fear. This is strategy. If we haven't met, I'm Haji Bakari Sila AI clone. Haji Bakari Sila is the founder of TCH Media, creator of ReviewSmart.ai, author of 7 Keys to AI-Powered Business Success, and small business owner and myself. I run Bakari's Pizza in Atlanta that hosts monthly AI mixes. I work hands-on with business owners who are overwhelmed and understaffed and overworked. I don't teach AI from a lab. I teach it from the trenches. Let's continue. We are approaching what I call the small business automation cliff. One day you're answering calls manually. Next day, an AI voice agent is answering in 0.3 seconds, booking appointments, following up, and asking for reviews. One day you're chasing leads. Next day, it's qualifying them before you even wake up. These are not chatbots. These are AI agent systems. They read the incoming messages, respond contextually, trigger workflows, book appointments, monitor KPI, follow up automatically, generate content, track reviews, reactivate all leads. And here's the part nobody's telling you. You don't need a tech team to deploy this. You need a system. At TCH Media, my white-labeled automation platform built on Go High Level, we build full AI operating systems for small businesses. Let me show you what that looked like. Example 1, 67% of missed callers never call back. That's not a theory, and that's revenue loss. So we install AI voice agent backup, instant missed call text back, a smart qualification sequence, auto booking, follow-up reminder system, review requests after service. Result, businesses go from sorry we missed you to appointment confirmed automatically. Example 2, most small businesses treat reviews as vanity. We treat them as leverage. ReviewSmart detects customer satisfaction, routes happy customers to Google, routes unhappy customers to private feedback, generates AI written responses, tracks reputation trends, builds SEO dominance over time. That's not reputation management, that's authority building. Example 3, inside TCH Media, we deploy content workflows that research your niche, draft blogs, create social captions, generate email newsletters, repurpose long form into short form, schedule posts. One of my interns used to spend 4 hours drafting one campaign. Now, the first draft takes 4 minutes. Then humans refine. That's how you multiply output without multiplying payroll. Here's the pattern I see unfolding. 2025 agent swarms for small businesses. Multiple AI agents working together. Intake agent, sales agent, review agent, content agent, data monitoring agent, all orchestrated inside one CRM ecosystem. 2026, physical plus digital convergence. Voice agents integrated with POS systems, smart kiosks, robotics, inventory automation, restaurants, warehouses, clinics. This is coming faster than most people realize. 2027, self-improving workflows. AI systems that optimize your funnels automatically, adjust follow-up timing, improve messaging based on response rates, detect revenue leakage in real time. The businesses who deploy early will dominate. The businesses who hesitate will scramble. Here's what most people miss. You don't need permission. You don't need to wait for a Fortune 500 rollout. You don't need a $100,000 budget. You can automate lead follow-up, install AI call handling, build review pipelines, create AI-powered onboarding, Monitor KPI 24/7. Build your own digital Wakanda ecosystem right now for less than what you pay a part-time employee. This isn't about replacing humans. It's about removing friction, eliminating repetitive work, increasing speed to lead, protecting revenue, building leverage. AI doesn't get tired. AI doesn't forget to follow up. AI doesn't procrastinate. And when paired with human strategy, it's unstoppable. Why I'm teaching this? Because I see too many small businesses struggling, understaffed, burned out, chasing payments, missing calls, losing leads. And I refuse to watch another business close because they didn't adapt. I host AI mixes every month for a reason. I wrote my books for a reason. I built TCH Media and Review Smart for a reason, because the future of small business belongs to the ones who deploy systems, not the ones who hope harder. Here's what I want you to do. Step 1, audit your day. What are you doing repeatedly that a system could handle? Step 2, identify revenue leaks, missed calls, slow follow-up, no review system, cold database. Step 3, install your first automation, not 50. 1, start with missed call, text back, review follow-up, lead nurture, AI content draft workflow. Step 4, build momentum, automation compounds. The AI you're using today is the worst it will ever be. It's only getting smarter, faster, cheaper. The question isn't, will this change your work? It already is. The question is, will you move first? If you want help building your AI operating system, book a free AI business assessment. Join the AI Business Power community or subscribe here, because I'm documenting this entire journey in real time. This isn't hype. This is execution. The AI revolution is creating the biggest shift in opportunity we've seen in decades. It's not about replacing people. It's about empowering the ones who move first. If you're ready to build systems that work while you sleep, I'll see you inside TCH Media. Let's build your AI-powered business the right way.